Specifi Quote is the industry's most flexible and powerful quotation system. To get started, just log in. You are taken straight to your project dashboard. Click to start a new project. Fill in your project details. Customize your settings. Quickly configure your project layout. Pick a template or upload your own. Choose your PO template. Once you have added and configured a project, create a quote. Add a new contact for your project. Add products to your quote. And then browse the updated eCatalog. Select products and edit product settings. Then add products to your quote. You can also add products from your own library. It's easy to move products between areas. Get product details right without leaving your list. View automatically updated project totals. Manage pricing per product, per brand, per category, and per customer. Currency exchange rates are automatically updated, or you can manage them yourself. Manage additional services. You can preview and print your quote at any time, or export your quote to an Excel or CSV file. Want to import a quote from another auto quotation platform? It's easy. Just click the import button, and your quote is ready to go. If you are using Specifi Design for Revit or AutoCAD, it's easy to sync to a quote and back again to reflect changes. Specifi Quote. Finally, an alternative.